Sa company.
Top 3
Stressors.
stressors. It varies eh. It varies sa iba-iba. Siguro ano lang in my opinion lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Siguro the boss.
The boss.
The boss. Uh, the benefits. I think top 2 lang. I think doon lang naglalaro kasi yung
Okay, sige, ma'am.
So, boss and
boss and the salary. Sige, plus the salary. The boss, the salary, and yun lang.
okay.
Ma'am, paano niyo po wini-welcome yung mga new employees?
We conduct orientation, whole day.
Full day.
Full day orientation, plus we provide training for new employees.
Tapos, ma'am, ano po yung mga strategy nyo and yung mga programs na yung ginagawa nyo?
Actually, we have communication training.
Okay po.
We also have telephone etiquette for the first timers. And then we also have, excuse us, this is Miss Mitch, senior
Hello, ma'am.
recruitment consultant.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Ayun na.
Mahaba ba yan? Recorded to. Okay lang po, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po yung madalas na dahilan sa turnover niyo?
What do you mean, internal or external employees?
We have kasi, external employees
Okay.
na nakadeploy with our clients. Yung internal kami, yung nandito sa loob. Pero I think yung turnover sa amin with internally speaking, is the benefits. Yeah, the salary.
Eh, yung mga external, ma'am.
External, depende. Depende sa client kung saan sila napunta. So, iba't iba kasi yung mga companies na andyan. So, mostly, ang nagiging cost din is yung contractual basis.
Okay. So,
Okay po. Ma'am, paano naman po nape-prevent yung absenteeism ng mga employees? Kahit din po kayo, ma'am.
Absenteeism. Actually, for frequent absences kasi we provide memorandum din. So, hindi naman sa tinatakot yung pero parang we also have existing policy with our attendance. So, by that, dapat guided sila ng policy na yun.
ma'am, do you measure the satisfaction of the employees?
Yeah, we have our, meron kaming mga ginagamit na metrics. We have for halimbawa, yung performance appraisal ng tao, binibase namin siya doon. Kasi, ini-scorean siya eh. So, may kita doon yung performance-based, behavior-based,
Saka yung attendance.
also included.
Ma'am, ano po, how do you cope up the stresses of the employees? I mean, may binibigay po ba kayong programs or activities?
For the employees, not necessarily us.
Yes.
Yes.
More on the employees.
Usually, with other clients, we have, example, yung isa naming handle na client, they have quarterly, we have incentives award, and then we go out just to treat the employees.
Nice. Do you prefer team building, ma'am?
Internally, we have.
Yeah, we have. But for our external employees, it depends on the client because they are the one who pay for that certain activities.
Ma'am, can we get the program? Kung pwede lang po. Kung pwede niyo ibigay sa amin yung program ng...
Copy po.
I am sorry, but that's highly confidential in our
Okay po.
work.
That's all, ma'am.
I think it's more on strategic planning. More on building with each other. Parang ganun lang, nakakilala mo yung ibang tao through activities. Para ma-establish yung rapport with each other in terms of working. So, yun ang pinaka-purpose nun.
Ma'am, yung mga exit interviews niyo po ba? Yung mga nakuha niyo po bang informations doon, kino-cope up niyo rin doon yung mga programs niyo?
I think so. Kasi iba yung nag-handle ng exit interview namin. Pero we summarize the exit interview with the reason behind it, ba't sila nag-resign. So I think si HR manager nag-iisip naman.
Okay, that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.